Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to set up a new race track. I duplicate the first race track as a sample. First you need to delete every racing elements. Okay, this is empty scene and ready to start working. Reduce pixel. Okay, first from doc folder you can see the workflow. Checkpoints, first we need to add checkpoints for car position systems, prefab manager, checkpoints. Drag here, unpack completely. Okay, I want to start create race from here, so move this one here. This is the race start position. I want to start here, spawn here, and start here the race. Nice. Okay, select checkpoint manager. You can reset to the default. Viewport if this not works. Hold down shift key and click. If this not works, reset to the default to work well. Okay, this is the first checkpoint at the race start. The next one here, add more checkpoints in road turns. Okay, in road turns we need to add more checkpoints for accurate result. Click on the center of the road. Nice. More checkpoints and corners and less in here. Okay, here is the first checkpoint. Here I want to spawn cars, and here is the end of the checkpoint. Here must be empty for spawn cars. The next one is path. To follow the path by racers. Direct waypoints here. Unpack completely. Clear. Okay, we need two paths. First one at the right of the road and the next one at the left. First I want to create the right one. Click here. You need to add more waypoints for more accurate movement. This is the path to move the cars along the road. This is the right path. Okay, the last one is same as the last checkpoint. Now you need to duplicate. This is the next path. Clear. Now you need another path, left path. This is the right and this is left. Nice. Now we have path and need race manager. Direct race manager on the scene. Okay. Now we need spawn points for race manager. We have 10 cars, so we need 10 spawn point. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, Okay, 10 race spawn positions. Like here. Hold down Alt key to open all childs. Here you need to direct to a spawn position. Spawn here. Next. Everything is okay. Nice. You have 10 spawn position and 10 racer prefabs. No, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Race manager. Okay. You can enter. You need to enter a new name for every car. Don't use same name. Okay, spawn position is ready and we can start the game. We need just camera. Let me to disable stochastic SSR to see the error. Okay, I choose the new player. I created a new player. I need to add here. Everything now looks good. As you can see, everything works well. The cars follow the path. You need to select car AI. The first one is path 1. Path 2. Just follow the path 2 and follow the path 1. At the hard turns, we need to use speed limiters. At the hard 10, we need to use speed limiters. For example, here we need a speed limiter. The cars move fastly from here and limit speed here at the hard turns. The speed is good. The next one here. Nice. You need to customize the speed limiters to find proper value. Here. Okay. Also, we need to check the side of the triggers to cover the whole scene. The triggers must cover the whole scene. Not call it each together. Okay, everything looks good. Now when you play the game, you will see cars move slowly at the hard turns by speed limiters. As you can see, speed limiters help you to manage car speed better. Final step is road blockers. We need to add road blockers to block the wrong way detection. When the player moves to the wrong way, this will block the road. You can add how many that you like. Good. Oh, I'm sorry. We need to duplicate this one. Now when you move in the wrong way, road blocker block the road. As you can see, road blocker block the wrong way mode. I hope this video is useful to you.